at the fucking rainy ass track. About to do time attack today in the GTI. See what the hell we can do. They got us in the retardo fast class against shit like that. Running against these kind of cars and shit. This fucking RS coming for his ass today. Got a Forester STI, WRX. I know, right? Just waiting for the rain to calm down. Yeah. I know, I hope so. GT. That's the last class. These guys is all in my class. There you go. This is our class, the SM. Another Mustang. Mark 7R. Bunch of STIs, Evos. Evo. Another Mark 6. Another Evo. ST, Elise. We got this fast ass M3 from last event. Another Z track pack. Some more Subies. Subi. Saline.
Man, those guys been out there a long time standing. Yeah.
Got a TTS down there. Way down at the bottom. TTS. WRX. That's about it. Should be some more shit coming up. Mark 7. Got a bunch of Volkswagens out here this week. So we should be looking alright. Rain is slowing down finally. Hopefully get a clean race. As clean as you can in the rain at least. We'll see. CST. It's a black Evo. STI. Miata. A new one that looks sweet as shit. Hyundai. Another Subaru. Mustang. Civic. Got a Scion. Golf R. Evo. Miata. Veloster. CR1 Vet or Grand Sport, excuse me. How you do out there, Mitchell?
23rd. That's not bad.
How many people were there?
I don't.
What'd you-
well,
We
everybody
got
what'd you-
hasn't run
36
yet.
down to everybody.
That's good. I'm pretty sure it was. Shit, it had to be 48 in your class at least.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah,
There's a lot of
for
them.
sure. So that's middle range. That's not bad at all. And it's wet as shit out here. Good job, man. At least you kept it together. What was the what were you in?
Red Mustang.
Ah, the Mustangs was looking fucking fast out there. I couldn't understand how you guys was gripping up.
That one did.
Yeah,
The
the orange one was smoking
my man, he
fast.
was,
Smoking
he was
fast.
right behind me. It's like, man, I can't catch him.
Right, for sure.
I think I'm like a second off his time.
Yeah.
He's in a higher horsepower class than me, so
Right.
in the overall I'm ahead of him. But
Gotcha.
you know,
Yep. Hey, congrats, man. Yep,
I'll
yep.
find out here in a minute. There's 2 BMWs going out of the course that are in my class.
Yep, yep, for sure. Good luck, man. Yep. Back to the R. Looking sick as fuck in the rain. C06. We'll be back in a second.